Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to combine date and time in Microsoft Excel. So how to combine date and time in Microsoft Excel? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Before I continue how to do it, a little introduction. The date and time merge function in Excel allows you to combine date and time information from separate cells into one, with the option to set the display format and integrate both into one time value. The first way, tap on the cell, date and time. Type equals, type text. Type open brackets. Next enter date, by tap cell. Type semicolon. Type double quotes above. Type date format, dd/. mem/. YYYY type colon above. Type close brackets. And tap enter. But here it still only looks like the date. Now to add hours. Tap cell on date and time. Behind the formula. Type. Type colon above. Type. Text. Type open bracket. Enter the cell position on the clock. Type semicolon. Type double quote. Type date format, type HH:, type colon above. Type close bracket. And tap enter. Here has been combined date time. For the next line, tap on cell, date and time. Type equals, type text. Type open bracket. Next enter date, by tap cell. Type semicolon. Type double quote above. Type date format, dd/. YYYY type colon above. Type close bracket. Type colon above. Type. Text. Type open bracket. Enter the cell position on the clock. Type semicolon. Type double quote above. Type date format, type HH:, type colon above. Type the closing brackets. And tap enter. Here the date time have been combined. For the next line. To make it faster, we can directly block the ones that have been combined and drag to the bottom. It will automatically follow the previous formula. So that's it. Tutorial how to combine date and time in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.